Hi, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to edit nature Polaroid filters using Lightroom Mobile. Here are example photos before and after using these filters.
On the coast of something beautiful. We got pulled into the tide of something real.
The preset download link in description.
Let's find my way back to you. Hey, why did it take us so long?
So let's start photo editing.
While I was dancing on my own. Hey, and now my prayers been answered in my darkest time. 'Cause now I found you. Waiting on the day you would come back to me, hoping that I didn't burn a bridge I couldn't see. And now that you're by my side,
I will paste tone curves from my editable photo.
you behind. Lifeless days and sleepless nights, so tired of it. I can't get you off my mind, can't forget it. Now I know what I've got to do is find my way back to you. We spent our days on the coast of something beautiful. We got pulled into the tide of something real. But somehow I lost you on the way. I assumed you left me behind. Lifeless days and sleepless nights, so tired of it. I can't get you off my mind, can't forget it. Now I know what I've got to do is find my way back to you.
Original upload by CRAZY Editing. Don't re-upload the videos and presets.
I was waiting on the day you would come back to me, hoping that I didn't burn a bridge I couldn't see. And now that you're by my side again, I'll never leave you behind. Lifeless days and sleepless nights, so tired of it. I can't get you off my mind, can't forget it. Now I know what I've got to do is find my way back to you.
Now let's try to copy this preset for another photo.
We spent our days on the coast of something beautiful. We got pulled into the tide of something real. But somehow I lost you on the way. I assumed you left me behind. Lifeless days and sleepless nights, so tired of it. I can't get you off my mind, can't forget it. Now I know what I've got to do.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.